Hi, I'm Henry from Event East team. In this video, I'll demonstrate our Event East Planner API, which meets all requirements for Week 5 Final Project Part 1. First, let me show our deployed application. Our API is successfully deployed and running on Render. As you can see, by clicking on this here, you can see that our server is live and responding. Then here you can see all the sensitive information like our database credentials, our JWT secrets are properly stored in the environment variables, and they are not present in our GitHub repository. So now I will try to get our Swagger UI using our deployed application. Click here, then press enter. Yes, you can see our Swagger documentation is available at our API docs endpoint. So our specification has both the user and the event collections. So we can go straight and demonstrate the full CRUD operations with all of our documentation. First, I would like to try it out using my browser. Clicking on this, follow the link, and here you can see that Swagger JSON also working properly and fully testable. Now let me try to create a new user. I will go to the post, go into the post, create a new user by try it out. I'll create this John, create John with this information, execute. So it already exists. Okay, let's try someone else. John team, then use team execute. Yes, John team has been created successfully. So let me check this carefully. So next I will try to get all the registered users here, get all users, try it out and execute. Oops, we have an error message, access denied, no token provided. So I will try to authorize, press the link and authorize, close. So let's try getting a user now, execute. Now we have John team in our database, our MongoDB database. I can try to update a user. Let's say this John Ford. I will copy this link, his ID, minimize, and try to update this user. Here in the put, try it out. Then let's call John Ford John Vin with this particular email address and execute. The user updated successfully. So now he bears what? John Vin. I can decide to also remove this John Vin by using the delete operation. So I will try it out, press his ID and execute. Oops, I think I'm supposed to be here. Press his ID and execute. So user deleted successfully. So we can also check our error messages. So in an event when we have similar users, so let's see, get a user by ID. So let's try it out. Let's check this error message. Oh, user not found. So when you try to get a user that is not present in the database, you get that. So we can also try to get another error message. let's try to get another error message from here. So let's say, okay, a registered user, let's use team. So let's use particular person, then execute. User already exists with the same image. So I'm trying to create a user who is already in the database, so you cannot do that. So now let's go to the event and repeat the process. Now to create an event, try it out. Let's say it's a BBQ party happening 26th. Then we'll try creating. See, BBQ party created successfully. I can also try to get all events, try it out and execute. You can see all events, the BBQ party, the birthday party, and other events. Now I can also try to fetch a party by ID. Let's say I have this. I will try to fetch this. Let's update it. Updated BBQ. Then 26th. And see that it's been successfully updated. There can have some error messages here. Let's say we try to update this or get an event. So let's try to get an error message. Fine, let's try to create it first because of time. So let's do this. Let's say it's 24th. So event date must be in the future. So it is an error message you can get from that. So that's that. Everything here is done, and for my individual implementation, I was responsible for the user collection, including registration system with password hashing, and secondly, configuring the comprehensive Swagger API documentation with a full endpoint specification.